An Introduction to Copilot at Cal State University Long Beach, presented by the Division of IT. Have you heard about Copilot at Cal State Long Beach? If you have, your next questions might have been, what is it, where do I find it, and what version do we have? First of all, what is Copilot? We've all heard the excitement about AI and/or ChatGPT. At the enterprise level you can think of Copilot as Microsoft's version of ChatGPT. It's an AI chat assistant that uses machine learning to understand and respond to your human language. You can use Copilot to answer simple or complex queries, assist with research, provide summaries of various content like articles, books, or events, offer product comparisons, provide inspiration, generate images, and so much more. There are several versions available from Microsoft, but here at CSULB, all students, faculty, and staff have access to the enterprise version of Microsoft Copilot included with your campus account. Essentially, this is the base version of Copilot, but it can still do so much. How do you open Copilot? There are many ways to get to Copilot, but you'll want to log in to the single sign-on portal. It is especially important to note that when you log in using your campus account, a key feature for CSULB users is that your interaction with Copilot AI is protected, which means your prompts and responses are not saved. Microsoft has no eyes-on access, and chat data isn't used to train AI language models. Log in to sso.csulb.edu and look for the Copilot tile. Click the tile and a web browser tab will open. Before we dig in, let's take a tour of the interface. You'll notice the Copilot interface is pretty streamlined. In the upper left corner, you have the Microsoft icon, which, if clicked, will open a fresh Copilot session in a new browser tab. Just to the right, the Copilot icon will bring you back to your last session if you happen to venture off. Moving to the right, you see the Notebook link. You can use the Notebook feature to write longer prompts with more instructions. It's like an enhanced scratch pad that lets you fine-tune. This makes it especially useful for tasks like generating code or developing a longer piece of writing. Moving across the page to the right is your login identity, the data protection icon, and then your settings menu where you can adjust things like the appearance, language, or speaking voice. In the center of the page, we see a carousel of suggested prompts to help you explore different use cases for Copilot. You can click on any of them to interact. Below the carousel is a text box where you can type prompts. The New Topic button will clear any prompts and refresh the page. Add images using the image icon, upload files using the paperclip icon, or speak your prompt using the microphone icon. If you use the microphone, know that Copilot will respond back to you in a spoken voice as well as readable text. Let's pick a few of the examples I mentioned earlier to try. First, let's generate an image. I'm going to use the prompt, create an image of a college student jumping in front of Disneyland. We wait while Copilot renders the entry, and when the result displays, we can continue to provide feedback to enhance or modify if necessary. I see my results here, but I want something a little different. Let's add Mickey ears and churros. You can see that Copilot has rendered a new set of images using my feedback. Now let's look at a few examples of how Copilot can provide inspiration. Do you need to get organized? Ask what is the best way to organize files in OneDrive. Create a weekly calendar for a procrastinator. or learn how to organize a home office for productivity. Do you struggle getting started with large writing projects like grant proposals? Let's use Copilot to get our creative juices flowing. In this next example, I'll ask it to write a grant proposal to justify taking a group of 10 marine biology college seniors at CSULB to a research vessel on Guam. Do you need to refresh the look and feel of your class rubric but don't know where to start? Notice the Excel icon in the upper right-hand corner. I can click this to export into Excel and then make further edits to customize to my exact needs. Let's do one more example from our list. Let's create a summary. Say we're browsing research articles, but we only want to dig deeper into the ones that best match our topic. Using Copilot, I can summarize a lengthy article to determine if I want to explore it further. First, I'll click the paperclip icon to upload the article, then give it a prompt. I now have about a one-page summary of this 20-page article. And now I'll know based on this summary if I want to read it in its entirety. We summarized a PDF text article, but you can also use Copilot to summarize data in the form of Excel spreadsheets, web pages, Word docs, etc. If you've heard about some of the things that Copilot can do with Microsoft Office integration, those features are available in a separate paid version of Copilot, not to be confused with the enterprise version we currently have at Cal State Long Beach. It's important to note that Copilot Enterprise does not retain your chat data, including any files uploaded, and restricts data access, ensuring your privacy. This means once you start a chat, you don't want to refresh the page or you'll need to start over because the data is gone. Also, the enterprise version returns answers from web data that align with Microsoft's responsible AI principles. However, AI-generated information can be inaccurate or contain copyrighted material. Please review and verify your AI-generated content before publication or sharing. Use your creativity to explore all the ways Copilot can enhance the work you do. visit www.csulb.edu/Copilot for more information on CSULB's Enterprise version as well as the other versions available from Microsoft. Thank you for watching.